This tutorial review will show you how to check display of any iPhone if it's a original display or not. iPhone displays have been designed, tested and manufactured for Apple quality and performance standards. With iPhone 11 models and later, excluding iPhone SE second and third generation, using iOS 15.2 and later, you can go to your phone settings, then tap on General, tap on About for the parts and service history of your iPhone. You can also find out if the display has been replaced or not. If the repair was done using genuine Apple parts and processes, it will show genuine Apple part will appear next to display. An unknown part message will appear if the display installation is incomplete or if the display was replaced with a non-genuine display was already used for installed in another iPhone, isn't functioning as expected. An additional message might appear that says Apple has updated the device information for this iPhone. This means that Apple has updated the device information maintained for this iPhone for service needs, safety analysis, and to improve future products. This message don't affect your ability to use your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.